Hello everyone, my name is Raj Patel from Aero Section. Today we have discussed about preparation, properties and application Buenas. So first of all, what is a Buenas? So some introduction. Butadiene or styrene butadiene rubber is a called SBR. Describe of families of synthetic rubbers derived from styrene and butadienes. Those materials have a good absorption resistance and good against stability when protected by additives. About 50% of car tire made by various types of SBR. So, so there are different types of SBR. So some SBR type of SBR. SBR is derived from the two monomers styrene and butadiene. The mixture of these two monomers are up- polymerized by two basically different processes. From solution of SSBR and emulation ESBR. So emulation polymerization ESBR produced by emulsion polymerase is limited by free radiation. Solution of polymerization solution of polymerization. Then solution is a process produced by dynamic polymerization process. Then Buenas. The material was initially marketed with the brand name Buena. Buenas. Its name derived by Bu for butadiene and Na for sodium. So, Neutron is a several language include Latin and German and Dutch. And S is a S for style. So for connect that words and called Buenas. Bu is equal to butadiene, Na is equal to sodium, S is equal to styrene. Application of Buenas. The elastomer is a used widely phenomena tires, shoes, hills, soles, gaskets, even chewing gums. It's a commodity material which competes with natural rubber. Latex SBR, extensively used in cord paper, being one the most cost effective range to bind bitumen coating. It's also used in building applications as a sealing and binding again behind radar as an alternative to PVA, but is a more expensive. A structure of the Buna is CH2 CH benzene, CH2 CH benzene, CH2 CH double bond CH CH2 bond CH CH benzene. Then it's a repeating units CH2 and CH, and here it's a repeating also unit because CH2 CH double bond CH CH. So both are same in double bond left side and right side. It's a repeating bond. Here is a CH2 CH benzene. It's a styrene unit. This one, and it's a butadiene unit and random polymerization. Preparation. Vinase is a copolymerization but butadiene and styrene. Vinase is a copolymerization of butadiene and styrene. It's prepared by copolymerization of 1,3-butadiene and styrene along with sodium. Formula of preparation. So 1,3-butadiene. So 1,3-butadiene CH2 double one CH bond CH CH2. Here 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 3 butadiene plus styrene CH double CH. Here we have process to heat. After processing this sodium and heating polymerization, CH2 CH double bond CH CH2. It's a butadiene styrene copolymerization. It's we called of SBR or Buna S, etc. Properties of Buna S. So high absorber resistance, high bearing capacity, and resolution. Get oxidation in the presence of trace of ozones, swell in oils and solvents. Used for manufacturing of cars, floor tiles, shoe shawls, arranges wires, and cable in evolution. So, where is we used for Buna as for car types, uh, features of cars, floor tiles, shoe shawls, wires, and cable. Molecular formula of Buna. So, what's the formula? C12H14. That given C is C equivalent from 12 gram per mole and H is equal to 1. C means carbon, H is equal to hydrogen. Carbon molecular weight 12 gram prati mole and hydrogen 1 gram prati mole. Then molecular weight 12 into carbon molecular weight plus 14 into hydrogen molecular weight. So 12 into 12 plus 1 into 14. That's 158 molecular gram per weight. So what's the molecular weight of Bunas? 158 gram per mole. Conditions. The radiation of butadiene of styrene mostly 76.5% to 23.5% by weight. Temperature is normally about 500 Celsius or even higher. So then we take no minimum and normally 500 Celsius temperature. It's a minimum. Then even we have to take higher temperature above 500. Calculation. Number of polymers, let n is equal to 100, then 100 into 158. So 15,800 gram per kilo. By 158, 158 is a molecular weight of butadiene. To produce of 100 ton per day. So C4H6, C8H8, C12H14. After this calculation, the number of polymerization weight is equal to 658.2 into 103 gram per day. So thank you. We have discussed in butadiene bunas. So the structures of butas, application of butas, different types of SBR, SBR like bunas, how to create, how to make bunas, where we used of bunas rubber. Thank you.